Hi, my name is Dr. David Silverman. I'm on ASEA's Medical Professionals Board and very proud to sit on that board. This is a breakthrough for humanity. And one of the questions people have is, I take supplements, I take 10 things, I take 20 things, I take 2 things. Can I continue to take what I'm taking and take this product too? And here's what I love about this product. There's no potential risk with this. It's as safe as water. You can't be allergic to it. There's no toxicity. It's not metabolized by the liver, and it does not interfere with anything someone is doing, which is what I love. So what people do is, what I ask them to do is say, look, with other medications you're taking, with whatever medication, whatever supplements, just take a look at where you are today. How are you doing today with everything you're doing, right? So your energy, your sleep, your hurting, your eyes, your ears, your lungs. Just take a good snapshot. Well, literally take pictures of your skin, because you'll use this and you want to see the gel version and you want to see what happens to skin changes. But see where you are today with what you're doing, and knowing that this does not interfere with anything. Just start drinking this and putting this on your skin and track your progress. And what we find is a lot of people that take a lot of supplements, and they're very strict in what they're doing. And nutrition is important. This company has nutritional products, 4 amazing nutritional products, because this has no nutritional value. But the amazing thing is, so many people are taking so many things. And what they do when they track their progress doing this, they're like, wow, look at this. This has changed. This has changed. This has changed. Maybe I don't have to take all of this stuff. And in my opinion, you don't. I don't know what your particular issue is, but I know a lot of people, they go to the health food store and they got hundreds of dollars of things, which they could potentially be allergic or have reactions to some of those things. And they could interact with other things. Just because it's a drug, not a drug, doesn't mean it's not going to interact with other things that you're doing. This is pure, because this already exists in you. It's not taken from a tree. It's not taken from a plant. It's not taken from an animal. It's made from saline, and it's already in you. So don't stop what you're doing. Just see where you are today and see what changes, right? And if you feel like you want to start coming off of things because things just get better, can't say they're going to get better, but if you see that they are, if you're on medications, talk to your doctor about that. Don't come off your medications, talk to your doctor. But as far as supplements, will probably save you a heck of a lot of money. And again, you do need nutrition, all right? It's very, very important. We don't get it from our food. And if you're taking a stellar, unbelievable, best there is on the market nutritional, stay with it. If you're not, ASEA has that. And right now, in the middle of 2020, we have 4 incredible nutritional products. So I hope this is helpful in understanding what you can and can't take along with this product.